Welcome to learncaenow channel. In this tutorial, assembly modeling of a plumber block assembly using PTC-CREO will be demonstrated. Let us select the folder which contains the parts for this assembly as working directory, and we shall create a new assembly. Let us import the casting part and set default constraint. Next we shall import the brasses part, and make it coincident with the hole in the casting. Let us select the other corresponding cylindrical surfaces to be coincident. We shall assemble the cap using the two holes present in it. The second hole constraint should always be oriented instead of coincident, or else the part would be over-constrained. Assemble the bolt to one of the holes in the casting and set the two faces coincident. Now we shall make the both parallel to one of the faces of the cut. Since the hole in the casting is made with a pattern, we can create pattern for the bolt part too. Just select the bolt in the model tree, choose pattern, and leave it on reference. We can do the same with the two types of nuts and make a pattern for each of them. Thanks for watching. Kindly comment and subscribe.